Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do another haul, and this is the Amazon haul. So I bought some products from Amazon which were the daily needed products or stuff. So I've bought that, and if you want to know what products or stuff are those, then please continue watching. So the first product which I ordered from Amazon is the Derma Suction Pore Cleaning Device. So this is how it looks. So this is the Derma Suction is the new way to clean pores. It gently removes blackheads and whiteheads and the dirt from the pores on your face without squeezing. So this is the machine, and then there are 4 different heads. So this is the 1, 2, 3 and 4, and these are like 4 interchangeable suction heads: small head, large head, oval and sonic. So sonic is kind of like a scrub kind of a head. So yeah, this is like, it works on batteries, so you have to put your batteries inside this. I'll show you how it looks. So this is how the suction machine is, and then you have to put batteries over here. So yeah. So this is the small head of the suction, and this is the big head. This is kind of big. And then there is like a very smaller one, like it's an oval shape, and this is especially for the side of your nose or maybe under your chin to remove the whiteheads or the dirt. And this is like a sonic kind of a thing. This is very rough and crude kind of a suction head, so this can be used to scrub like your forehead or maybe your nose, because this is like a little rough when you pull it. So yeah, these were like the 4 suction heads that I got in this Derma Suction Kit. Okay, so the next item that I have is the Asbob Healthcare Steam Vaporizer. So you all know what vaporizer or a steamer is. I'll show you. If you don't know, I'll show it to you. So this is what a steam vaporizer looks like. So when you have cold and you have to take the hot steam, so that is what this does. So see, currently we are like using the steamer, so you can see there is this water inside. So you have to fill the water till here, medium. See, the measurements is mentioned. You just have to fill it up to here, medium, and then just plug it in and the hot steam comes out and you just have to take it. It is so relaxing, guys. Like, trust me, it's so relaxing when you take this hot steam, especially in the rainy season, in the winter, when everything is like super cold and super chilled, and you're just taking this steam. It's so soothing, relaxing, calming, like everything. So we take this steam every night before we go to bed, and it's so relaxing, like, trust me. So again, this steam vaporizer has 2 nozzles or 2 heads. Like, I can't differentiate between a nozzle and a head, but there are 2 different parts. Actually, there are 3. One is just to take steam, like if you're having cold and cough, so that is like another head. This one is for the body, like you go to gym and your muscles are like strained, and then you have to give some heat and some steam to your body, so then you can use this one. So this is definitely for that, and I'll show you how you change it. And this is the big one, so it is like for the face, like the whole face, when you do your facial or your scrubbing and you need some steam or heat on your face, and you just put this and then put your face inside that. Yeah, like put your face inside. It means it's not going to go completely inside, but it's like a cover to your face. So it's something like that. So you have to put this if you're doing your facial. So I'm going to change this. So I'm just slightly going to pull it, and it comes off. It's not that tight. So, and then I'm going to put this one. So you can see there is this a gap, and you just have to put it in. That's all. You just have to put it like this, plug it in, and just take steam. Put your face inside that and just take steam. Trust me guys, try it out before go to bed, and then you'll thank me later for that. So the next item that I have is the Livzing bamboo steamer. So it is also known as the Momo steamer, and yeah, we ordered for that because it was something that we wanted. We wanted to try out momos and stuff and that, so we ordered for it, and it came in like, it's so like, it's not tiny but it's small, but you know, you should handle that with care. It's so beautifully made, and yeah, I'll just show it to you. So this is the bamboo steamer. So this is the lid of the steamer, and then there are 2 tires of the steamer thing. So I think this is the lower one, yeah. So you can store in like a lot of whatever you're making, maybe momos or anything. So you can just, you know, put it in 2 tires and just steam it out. And yeah, this is the lid which goes on the top. So this is the bamboo steamer. So the next item that I have is the Manfrotto Pixi mini tripod stand, and this tripod stand, guys, trust me, is a lifesaver. Like, especially when you are traveling, you're vlogging, this tripod stand works like everything. So you can just, it's so tiny and so comfortable to even, like, you know, hold it. When you want to place it on a table, just open it like this, just open its legs, and you can place it anywhere you want, on the table, on the car, anywhere. This goes like anywhere. And again, when you're done with this, just close it, and then again it becomes like your mini tripod, which you can hold in your hands, kind of like a selfie stick. So again, this has a button over here. So you just have to, you know, like, press it, and this moves around. So you can just twist it, turn it, do anything. If you're shooting, if you're like self-shooting, just twist it towards you and place your camera on this, and then you can shoot. Like, you can do anything with this, like literally anything. Again, you just have to press it in and then take it back to its original position. So the next product is this backpack, again from Amazon, and this is like the water resistant, dust resistant, anti-theft backpack. And the best thing about this is that it has a USB charging port. So first we have to charge this bag with the USB, and then inside there is another USB wire from which you can charge your phones. So I was just like scrolling up on Amazon searching for bags, especially I have like a whole plan of traveling, and especially if I'm going on a solo trip, I want my bag to have everything. Like, even if I'm getting stranded on an island, I need to survive, so I need all the stuff in my bag. And then I found this backpack which says it has a USB port, and then you can charge your phone using the USB wire. So it's like, okay, let's buy it. Then, since I got the bag, there are like 2 sections. So yeah, obviously I keep my laptop in this, and then some other stuff, maybe like some papers, or maybe if I'm traveling, clothes, my necessary t-shirts and stuff, I can put in this. And then on this side, there is this USB wire, the cable. You can just put it. You can charge your phone with this, man. What else do you expect? You can charge your whole power bank on this. So there is this thing, and then there are 2 small sections. So in one, I put my camera, in the other, the tripod stand, the mini tripod stand. And there is this zip, so I can you know, store all my charging wires, my laptop charger, my camera battery charger, like every single thing I can store in this. So I'm so happy and glad that I got my hands on this bag. and this is so comfortable. Even you don't feel the load in this, right? So I keep my laptop charger, my camera, everything inside this, and it doesn't feel heavy. So you know what I mean, right? It's not at all heavy. So yeah, this is how the back is. And yeah, this is so comfortable. Like these are like padded at your back, so you don't feel the pain in your muscles, the back muscles. This is very relaxing kind of a thing. And then yeah, there is like one chota zip on the strap just to keep your change, chutta paisa isme. So this is the backpack, and yeah, this is like water resistant, dust resistant. I can travel anywhere I want with this bag. So yeah, absolutely love it. And so this is the backpack. I'm going to list down all the links down below so that you guys can just go and check it out, and if you really like it, you can order. So check it out. So the next item that I have here is the Steelbird SCA 7 Wings Unisex Helmet. So this is like the face shield, especially when you're traveling out, you're going places, even on your bike or something. It works as a helmet as well as the face shield. So we ordered for that, and we got 2 in 1 pack. So it came in the box. So yeah, this is the face shield. This is from Steelbird. Steelbird is a very nice company. It especially makes helmets, and it's like a trustworthy brand, trustworthy company. So the face shield surely is going to be the best. So this is a face shield, especially in this pandemic situation, whenever you're traveling by flights or on your bike, wherever you're traveling. I think this is going to help you stay secure. Also, it's going to protect your eyes, your nose, and everything. So the face shield, also it has like an adjustable band, so you can adjust it according to your head size. So you can pull it in, push it out, like you can just adjust it according. And yeah, so the next item that I have is the Glun waterproof kitchen apron. So so in one kit you get 2 aprons. So that's what we ordered for 1 kit, and we got 2 aprons. So this is, so the upper fabric, this one, the printed one is cotton, but inside there is this plastic thing. So even if this cotton thing gets wet, the water is not gonna transfer onto your clothes, what you're wearing inside this apron. So this plastic cover just stops everything, and it's very it dries out quickly. So once you're done using it, just hang it around somewhere and it will dry quickly. So this is how the apron looks. I'm surely going to put a picture of my here wearing this apron, but right now I'm just showing it to you in a red color, and the other one is blue brown mixed. So yeah, this is the second color. So there is one is red and the other one is like bluish brownish kind of a shade. So the last product that I have is the AYL selfie ring light with extendable tripod stand and remote. So again, this ring light I ordered from Amazon itself, and it came like it had the biggest discount ever when I ordered it. So it came, and I'm going to show it. But this ring light, it has like a small remote which is like attached to the wire, where you can change the lights. So it has 3 lights. One is like the white, the orange, and then the third light is like a little bluish tinge to the light. So it looks very cool. And the orange and the white, the normal white. So it has like 3 lights, and you have to attach the USB to the adapter. So if you have like a charging adapter, you have to attach the USB to that, and then you can plug it in, and the ring light works completely fine. And also it has like an extendable stand where you can place your phone on it, and you can record videos or you can click pictures. So it has like a stand and a mobile holder. Works very nice. And in my hand is this shutter remote which came in with the ring light. It is a Bluetooth remote, so on the side there is this small button to just put it up and the blue light blinks. You can connect this to your phone, maybe Android or iOS, like Apple or Android. So there are like two buttons on this. So this one, the below one, it is for Android and the big one is for iOS. So when you connect this remote to your phone via Bluetooth, you can just click pictures with this. So I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to try it out. So I have my Apple iOS. So now I am going to turn on my Bluetooth. So since we have already turned on the Bluetooth of this one, now I'm gonna go to my settings. So I am in my settings right now, and AB Shutter 3, the first name. I don't know if you can see. I don't know why my screen is always blur. So yeah, AB Shutter 3, and it's already connected. Okay, so let's just see if it is connected or not. Oh yeah, we can. So for example, there you go. Yeah, I hope you guys can see me. Yeah, and I have the remote in my hand and I'm just going to click a picture. You see, did you guys see it? Click the picture. Again, let's do it one more time. So easy, right? Like you don't have to rely on somebody to click pictures. Just put it on your ring light phone stand. Just put it there, connect it with the Bluetooth and just click pictures. Just like this is so small, you can hide it in your hand, just pose and click pictures. You can do anything. So guys, that is it. That is all I have for you guys today. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you get updated every time I post a new video. And please don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are there always down in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video.